Hello and welcome back to Planning with a Purpose. I have been gone for several weeks, and that is just because I decided to take a break, and also it was spring break and I went away with my kids. So I know this is for the spread that I'm doing is for April 5th through the 11th, but that's during the time that we went away. And of course I didn't plan during that time. So I wanted to go ahead and set something up in my Erin Condren horizontal. So I was thinking of putting out spring and then break or something down here. So let me lay these letters out and see if it works. We had such a nice time. We went down to Florida. It was kind of an impromptu. The stickers I'm using are these. I think I got these from the Dollar Tree. So it was an impromptu trip. We had a great time. We didn't want to come back, of course. You know, like who does want to come back from sunshine? We wanted to get away from the cold weather. And when we returned, just as we thought, it was nice and warm when we returned. Let me see if I have an eye. There's an eye. An N. I almost misspelled it. I almost spelled it as sprig. Spring. Now my kids are not in school. They work full time. But because I work for the school systems, it was our spring break this week. Okay, and let me see if I could spell out the word break. I hope I have, let me see, B, I have an R and a black letter. Oh, I've got another one of these. Okay. And let me see, break. Let's see where we can do this. I'm thinking like that. Make it kind of, should I do the black? Yeah, I'm going to try the black. And then in E, here we go. And I'll be putting up some pictures. However, I want to respect my children's, so I probably will put the pictures up after I do this spread. Spring break. Now the K is purple. I don't want it to be purple next to purple. Do you see? Oh, it's purple. I guess I'm going to have to use another black letter. Here we go. Oh, you know what? I might be able to. I might have been able to color this. That's all right. So I'm doing spring break, and what I'll do is I'm going to turn the photos over. But what I'll do is put one photo here, maybe one photo. Oh, this is, let me see these. It's like when we first got there. This is the picture of the hotel. And then the photo of the kids over here also. And I saw these stickers. They were chilling out stickers in the Stronger Together book. And then the squad goals had some pool-like pictures. So I thought maybe I could pull some of those and use them. So Here, let me just pull these. Actually, maybe what I'll just do is do one of these pool girls. And let's pretend it's me. Let's do this girl. Does that look good? Let me see what else this one has. When we got there, we rented a car, and the car that we rented, oh, it was so nice. It was a black Charger. It had a sunroof, and honestly, like, it was just so nice to drive. And then, of course, with the weather being so gorgeous out there, or down there, it was great. I'm wondering if I should put a little rainbow. I think I've used all my sunshines. I could do this Hello Weekend. Let me see if I can find some sunshines. Maybe there's some in this one in the spring book. The weather was, I think, like in the upper 70s and 80s. It was so hard to leave. Let's see what we have. So how are you all doing? Did you have a nice spring break? Did you get a break? Okay, no sunshines in here. I like this living my best life. But this Hello Weekend is cute too. Let's do the Hello Weekend since it's nice and bright. I'm sorry if I sound tired. I am kind of tired. Okay, Hello Weekend. I have to make sure that I have room for those pictures. These little palm trees are cute, but they look kind of too small. Maybe we can put them like in between this. That's cute. And we'll put one in between here. Here's some little flip-flops. Right there. Here's some sunglasses. We'll put those right there. We have little seashells. We never made it actually to the beach, which is kind of crazy going down to Florida and then you don't go to the beach. But we did stick around the hotel because it had a nice pool. And It was just all, you know, really that we needed. We just wanted to take a little bit of a break, relax, you know, not do much. There we go. And then here's a picture of the hotel. I put that right there. And I'll be writing in between, summarizing 1 or 2 lines of what we did. I used to have a travel journal, and that I purchased through Erin Condren, but honestly, I cannot find it anywhere. Now, usually I use I always use my HP Sprocket to print the picture, and normally it gives a really good picture, or it prints the picture really nice, but it looks like everything is blue in this picture, and the hotel actually is very bright white. It was a really nice hotel. It really was. Let's go ahead and put that picture over here. And let's see, in this memory keeping book. This is the Holidays memory keeping book. Let's see. Oh, this palm tree is so cute. This big palm tree. I wonder if I could put it here. Let me see if I put this picture right here. I don't know. Maybe I'll save these pictures to put in my my happy planner. That would be cute in the happy planner. It says snapshots of a good life, and then I can put the pictures of me and my kids. Vacation mode. That'd be cute in the other one too. Oh, definitely. I wish I had more vacation days. This one says, oh, happy day. Where can I stick this one? I guess maybe the day right there. That's nice. Oh, and then swimming. We did get ice cream while we were out there. Let's go ahead and put one of these out. You know, when you're in vacation mode, anything goes, right? Doesn't matter. You can eat what you want. You can drink what you want. You can just do whatever it is, within reason, of course. Let's see if I have anything else. I think, let's see this one. This is the Color Story book, and that's got some bright stuff in here. Who knows, maybe I will find a sunshine. Choose to shine. Let's see. We were definitely happy. Oh, here's one. It says good vibes. That would have been nice. Let's see. I think maybe that's it. I know it's simple, but, you know, I do want to journal in it. And then I may add those 2 pictures of my kids, maybe one here and one up here, but I still do want to leave space for journaling. So I think maybe this is it. This is all I'm going to do. Very simple, but it clearly states what was going on. So I hope it gives you a little bit of inspiration, and I will see you soon. Bye-bye.